Jungle. Lemon. Scarf. Hello, chickpea. Chickpea and friends. Windy day. It's a great day to hang the washing out. Uh-oh. It's stuck. It's too windy to play with a ball. You can play something else inside. Aren't you going in with your friends, Chickpea? You're flying! Well, nearly. It's really windy today. I think Chickpea likes the wind. I like the wind too. Can you make the leaves fly again, Chickpea? Look at the clouds. They're racing each other. I'm going to make the big one go faster. And I'm going to blow the small one. I'm the wind. Hooray! We both won. That's Jungle Sock. Pants. Look, Chickpea, more clothes. Come on, Chickpea, this way. Hooray! You've caught everything. Oh, was that your T-shirt, Chickpea? Oh. What are you going to do with it? Wait for us. She's making something. I think it's a tree. I know. It's a cat. It's a surprise. Don't worry, Chickpea. We won't tell anyone. I know what it is. Shh. Don't say. Okay. Hooray! It's a kite! A T-shirt kite! I knew it! Me too! No, you didn't! Yes, I did! Look, it's flying really, really high! Tie the string to Jungle, Chickpea. The kite will go even higher! Bye, everyone!
I'm Sheldon Cass.